how to edit your Instagram post audio after posting it. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. So here you'll be able to see all of your posts. Now if you want to edit your Instagram post audio after posting it, what you can simply do is tap on any of that picture or that post over here. Then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner, and here you'll be able to see the option of edit. So tap on edit. As you do that, here you can see there's options of tagging people, adding locations, edit paid partnership level, and we have the option of advanced setting as well. So tap on advanced setting, and here as you can see there's no option to edit your Instagram post audio. So we can go back and then tap on the edit option below the post. So as you do that, here you can see you can only crop or edit the cover image. And there's no option to edit the Instagram post audio after posting it. So unfortunately, this process or this option is not available as of now. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.